What's up, people, and welcome back to this another amazing live stream here. Once again, back with a live stream here. Of course, guys, thank you already for tuning in here. I know these live streams are today a little bit later here. Of course, later on into the week, we will be doing earlier live streams. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in here. And you have to know, I have to do a live stream once we are seeing this insane price action here with Bitcoin. So, I mean, Bitcoin, leading indicator and crushing the market like always here. So, I mean, guys, there are so many exciting things that we are right now looking at. There are so many exciting opportunities that we are getting here to maybe accumulate some more Bitcoin, accumulate more trading here, and in general, just benefit from this market structure and from this market right now here. So, of course, guys, in this stream, we will be looking into more opportunities here and also looking at the trade. This is absolutely crushing it right now, guys. We are right now 2.1k in the upside here with only a 4x leverage. So Bitcoin swing trade, we called it by the exact bottom here. I mean, of course, we were a few digits off here. We entered over here, but I mean, we did an amazing job here. Right away went into profits here. So, of course, very lovely to see here. We spotted it completely right here, so very nice to have here, and very nice if you guys are also on board here. If you watched, it was 3 days ago, we opened this trade live in the stream here. So, I mean, if you want to see more live trades here, definitely consider a subscription to the channel here. Definitely also consider a like button here. And I see already people saying in the chat, hello everyone, hi Rover, and What's up, Nick here? What's up, Victor? What's up, everyone? And definitely, we will be looking for a swing trade entry for Ethereum, probably. So, of course, we would like to get more entries in here. And the main reason is because we are just feeding the market sentiment. The market sentiment is looking very good here. We're probably going to see a new autumn high getting created by the end of the week here, or even earlier. So, like you can see in the title here. In the title, I'm saying 70k Bitcoin in 2 weeks here. And I mean, I'm real with you. I do think that we're probably going to see a 70k Bitcoin in the coming 2 weeks here. So, yeah, put your seatbelt on here. Hop on this rocket ship here, because we're going to have some massive gains here in the coming days, in the coming weeks here. So, quickly, we'll give you some thoughts here about the Bitcoin price. First of all, looking at the 1 hourly, we are creating a bearish divergence. So we can reverse the price of Bitcoin anytime soon here. So quickly have to go into this, because you can see Bitcoin right now on the 1 hourly. You can see higher high in the price chart getting created here, but still a lower high in the RSI. So it is still saying, okay, we're right now having this bearish divergence. So we can easily reverse to the downside. So that is a thing that you have to keep in mind here. It's very likely that we can see that we are going to reverse the price of Bitcoin anytime soon here. But the second reason here, because I want to wake up a lot of caution here, because you have to be cautious if you want to step into a trade right now. Of course, do want to get into more trades here, because the market is just looking very strong here. But yeah, right now having this bearish divergence, of course, if Bitcoin is going to push the price higher here, and also the RSI a little bit higher, we can definitely, of course, invalidate this bearish divergence and even go higher here. But then I will go into this chart, because this is the chart that is also looking very strong here. Because if I look to this chart here, you can see finally breaking above the 0.786 Fibonacci line here. You can see previously it was acting as very strong support, and right now we broke through it with a very nice 4-hourly candle. So let's see if the next 4-hourly candle, even though if we're going to have a retest of this level, I mean, this will be very strong accumulation levels, guys. You have to know very strong accumulation levels if we're heading towards this level. And people are saying, can you say, no, I'm not going to say that. Not going to say that, but I mean, very excited what we're seeing here. Let me know if you're already as excited as me, because I feel very excited right now. And people, you are saying all kinds of stuff in the chat. I will look in your request in a second, because quickly I will finish up my thoughts here about Bitcoin, after that Ethereum, and then we will be looking in your requests. And also, quickly want to say something else here, because I do think that the altcoin season is coming very, very close towards us, because it is looking very strong. It is looking like that we are going to see a breakout anytime soon here. It is looking like that these altcoins can literally take off here, and also that Ethereum can take off anytime soon here. So do want to hop onto this jet here, of course, because I think coming towards July here, I think July the bull market will be still lasting here, especially for Ethereum. Also with Ethereum announcing these deflationary stuff, I think it can definitely be a very good thing for the price action of Ethereum as well. And that's also the reason why we do want to get on a swing trade on Ethereum as well. So of course we're paying pretty high fees right now. You can see the funding fees are going higher, because of course the market is reversing to the upside here. But I mean, we definitely want to look at more opportunities here also for Bitcoin. And just quickly looking at the first scenario we were looking at, this is Bitcoin, and people are saying, are you going to take some profits? And I mean, if you want to take profits right now, is a very good area. But I mean, in my opinion, we are in such a good position. We are in such a strong position. We entered our trade at such a nice place here. We opened this trade perfectly, and right now I'm just going to sit on this trade here, and I'm going to write this to new all-time highs here, because I am anticipating that Bitcoin is going to go way higher here. But of course, immediate short term we can reverse. I'm not scared if we're going to see a reversal right now here. But I mean, I'm not planning to go out of the stake. And I mean, taking some profits here would be very good here. It would be a good thing. And especially if you don't have extra Bitcoin on your account, if you cannot counter these funding fees, definitely you have to consider maybe taking some profits here. And I mean, taking profits in a 50% gain already is not a bad thing here. But for me right now, I'm not looking to take profits yet here. I am willing to maybe add even more to my position, because I do think it's a very good entry place here, and I do want to add more to my position, because I think Bitcoin can really go towards 50, or I mean really go towards 70k here in just a matter of 2 weeks here. So of course that will be very very important. Will be a possible, what would be a very good possibility to enter Bitcoin trade as well here. And if then I will be looking to the 55.2k here. So if we're going to reverse down to the 55.2k here, this will be definitely a good entry position here for you, Raki. I mean, 55.2k will be your entry position if you want to add more to your position. 55.2k will be also the place to do so. And also, of course, if you aren't yet in the trade of Bitcoin, 55.2k will be the area that you can enter more to your Bitcoin position here. So that is basically my thoughts about Bitcoin here. Bitcoin is just looking strong in general here, and I see Eric also donating here, and you're saying XRP and VDI, please. And I will we'll look into XRP in a second here. I will right away for XRP because I just finished up my Bitcoin thoughts. After this, I will go into Ethereum here. So Fed, I will check it later for you. But thank you for supporting the channel, of course. But I mean, XRP is still not doing anything interesting here. I mean, you could have been so much better off with holding Bitcoin or some other altcoins that are having a way better project here. And I mean, like I told you before, I don't like XRP here because XRP will probably perform not as strong as yeah, I mean, XRP will probably not perform as strong as these other assets, and that's my reason why I'm not holding XRP. And in my opinion, of course, no financial advice here. I mean, XRP is definitely a dead hold if you're going to hold it. It's probably not going to perform very strong here. Of course, right now still holding up on this supportive line here, but I mean, we all know what XRP is doing. We all know that it is having this lawsuit. We all know that it will take so much longer till this lawsuit is finished. So, in my opinion, not a very strong hold. And I see Andrew also donated €3.50. You're saying keep up the good work and thank you for supporting the channel here. But right now, I will look into Ethereum because, of course, we want to enter a swing trade on Ethereum or Chainlink or Cardano as well here. So that is also the thing that we will be doing for the stream here. We will be looking for opportunities to open a trade here. We will be looking for opportunities to accumulate more Bitcoin. We will be looking for way more opportunities. But I quickly look into this opportunity that we had yesterday here for the price of Ethereum. You can see Ethereum was having this big red candle here to the downside, and we already made this this gray box here, and we were talking about this gray box a long period already. And we told you guys, okay, once touching this gray box here, these are definitely very strong buying opportunities. So yeah, you can see we touched this gray box and immediately had liftoff. So you could have bought the Ethereum around the $1,764 here. So I mean, there was definitely a very strong accumulation level here, and you can see previously was also holding up a very strong support and resistance, of course. And you all know previous resistance will flip into support is very likely to see with these coins here. And you see also DT. I cannot read your message here, but you are saying merci por les videos. And you're probably very happy. I don't know why you otherwise should send a super chat. So thank you so much for your support of the nation here. Thank you for supporting the channel here, and appreciate your super chat, of course. So thank you. So Ethereum, of course, looking very strong here. If you look at this comparison to, I mean, Ethereum is just looking strong in general. But I mean, this is not looking good here for Ethereum. But we know what Ethereum is doing. We always keep an eye out on Ethereum, and we always are looking. Okay, is Ethereum going to fake us out? Because Ethereum likes to fake us out here. It is doing it very frequently. So that's also the reason why we can see it once again happening and playing out here. You can see Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. We're right now looking at the Bitcoin comparison. You can see Ethereum moving down and breaking this supportive line here, what is right now pushing the price lower. So the thing what is making me feel very exciting here is because Ethereum is always liking to fake us out here. But of course, if you just purely look to the charts here, this is not looking strong here because we finally broke above this resistance line. We finally retested this as support. But in the end of the day, we couldn't hold up here, and we still went to the downside here. So that was, of course, pretty unfortunate that we were seeing this. But I mean, in my opinion, nothing to worry about all too much here. And let me see. Let me check this. Nothing to worry about all too much here. I mean, still, I don't feel that we are going to go way lower here. But I mean, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, if you look at the bigger picture, you always want to look at the bigger picture. I still think Ethereum can really dominate the month of March here. And of course, Ethereum is still moving to the upside here. But Bitcoin is absolutely crushing it right now, guys. Bitcoin is absolutely crushing it. And we're seeing major follow-through getting created. And I'm feeling very exciting, guys, because this rate is absolutely going nuts here. Guys, let me know if you're as excited as me. me. And I see Natasha. Thank you for tuning in here. By the way, I sent the mug to you. So that's, of course, very amazing. You won this. And today I got 40 more mugs with me. So I'm going to give away more mugs here. And, I mean, damn, this is exciting. This is exciting. Did you already talk about Link? No, I haven't talked about Link yet. But I mean, Bitcoin is moving so quickly and so fast to the upside that I have to look at Link here because, of course, Link is Link. I mean, Bitcoin is right now crushing the market here. So, of course, very exciting days, very exciting times here, and I'm so glad that I can spend this time with you guys. So, you're saying, how about XRP? We just already discussed XRP, and you already know my thoughts about XRP, and I don't really particularly like XRP, but I mean, watching to this Bitcoin chart, are we going to set a new all-time high here? Let me see. Where's the price target? I think for this coming week here, very interesting price target, of course, that we are having, because I do think that we can easily break through the all-time high anytime soon here. And maybe, guys, maybe we're going to break through the all-time high in this stream. And people are saying, current trade is amazing. Great job and great call here, Rover. And I mean, that's absolutely grateful that you're enjoying your gain. And I mean, if you want to support me, you can right now go and join our team at the training channels. It would be, of course, very amazing. Because if you're joining our team, yeah, I mean, it would be very, very cool here. And we can crush the market all together here. It would be, of course, very cool if you can do so. But I mean, yeah, the trade, you cannot ignore the facts here. This trade is absolutely going sky high here. And if you want to join these trades as well here, you can right now go to the Femex, account as well. You can create an account right now. It is right now in the description. So if you want to join us, you can get some, deposit bonus as well. So that will be, of course, very amazing if you're signing up as well. Giveaway on IG. I mean, definitely going to do a giveaway on in the stream properly. So don't know for sure if it's going to be on IG here, but I don't have access to my IG here because, guys, by the way, got a new phone here. But I mean, I don't have access to my IG yet because I got blocked here. I don't know why. So I will definitely get my access back as soon as possible here, but I cannot do it on IG because I don't have access here right now. So that's pretty unfortunate, of course. But I mean, yeah, the trade, I'm loving to see the trade doing so well here. And Minecraft Gamer also donating €6. And you're saying, I know you don't like giving away mugs for donos, but once off, please. But I mean, I will not give them away for donations here, because otherwise people are going to donate for mugs here. And that's not my my thing. But Minecraft Gamer, I know you're a true supporter, but I will definitely give one away here. But I cannot promise I will not give it to someone who is donating, because if I'm doing this once, everyone will do it. But I mean, if you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is just so crushing it right now. Guys, let's look at this. Look at this. And by the way, I also want to go. I see. Oh, wait, another super chat here. So first, I will look at your super chat here. This is another super chat from Tsumi. And you're saying, thank you for your content. Can you please look at Essentia? ESS token, and definitely I will look at your coin. Give me a second. So first I want to look at the 1 hourly time frame, because you can see we were creating this previous resistance line here on Bitcoin. You can see this white line, and I can't wait. I will make this a different color for a second. I will make this a different color and a little bit more thicker. So you can see this resistance line here getting formed. And in the end of the day, since we broke above this resistance line, it was acting as support. And yesterday we were already talking about this line. Of course, we saw a minor fake out here, but still acted as very strong support and went to the upside here. So Bitcoin, of course, absolutely crushing it. And of course, Ethereum is following. I do think that Ethereum can definitely follow even harder. But I will look at ESS, and after that, ESS, I don't have any. Oh, you can compare to dollar. Okay, that's good. So, man, I can see it right away here. Flip this to the daily. Okay, this coin is absolutely going very low here. You can see 2018 major drop-off. Not a lot of this. It is very hard to give my thoughts about this coin here, because you can see not a lot of interesting data. The candles are also not very nice. So, is there a different chart? No, you don't have a different chart. So, I mean, it's very hard to give my thoughts about this chart, man. So yeah, I mean, thank you for your super chat, but I don't know if I can say anything about the chart. Yeah, I can say this previous level was acting as very strong support. So let's see if it's going to give us a supportive bounce once again here. But I mean, this coin, very hard to say what it's going to do here. I mean, if you are requesting coins with not a lot of information about it, it's very hard for me to do my analysis on it. So please, before sending your super chat or before asking anything in the chat here, because I will also look at your chats in general here, guys, please look at the coin if it is having enough information. But look at the follow through that Bitcoin is creating. So DT, once again, donating, and you're saying I sent you a super chat to support the channel. If you don't know, I already know here. So thank you so much for supporting the channel once again here. You are amazing. You guys are so supportive here. I love to see it. And guys, are we going to create a new all-time high? Are we going to see it? Man, I mean, it will be very exciting if we're going to see an all-time high getting created. I mean, we're absolutely crushing it right now. We are going so high here with the Bitcoin price. So I don't know what to say. I'm getting so exciting. And I mean, their trade is, of course, doing very strong here. We as a channel are also doing very strong here. Look at this. Okay, please check UTrust. We yesterday did it as well, but first we'll look at Bitcoin. After this, we will definitely look at some more altcoins, guys. You have to know it. But I mean, the price action is way too exciting, and the trade is going too well here. And also having some private trades open. Of course, I was telling you already that I was accumulating more swing trades, and I was saying to you guys, this to you guys already for the past 2 weeks here. Once we were seeing this drop off, I told you guys, okay, it's risky to open a high leverage trade right now, but I am looking to accumulate more swing trades. I'm liking to open more swing trades right now because that is probably where the market is heading towards. Market can still move to the downside here, but yeah, I mean, we had very strong opportunities to open swing trades. Of course, we crushed it completely here with the swing trade entry over here. And I mean, I'm loving to write this to new all-time highs, and we're probably also going to do so. So I mean, on the 1 hourly, already invalidating this bearish divergence. So the follow through that is getting created is very nice here, of course. And right now we can see also printing a new 1 hourly candle, doing very strong here. And let's see if we're going to go even further to the upside here. Will be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. And it's also, yeah, I mean, this is also very good for the Bitcoin price in general. So we'll also go to CoinMarketCap to see where the green is spotted in general over the market. So Ethereum is doing, not doing very strong here. It's basically Bitcoin is pumping. And guys, you have to know it. If Bitcoin is pumping, you know the day after is usually these altcoins. Is Link Rover, I mean, Link compared to Bitcoin, of course, yeah, decreasing in valuation, because right now you can see only Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin is the only coin that is right now pumping here, and these other altcoins are right now not following. But you have to know, after Bitcoin is done with this pump, definitely these other altcoins will follow as well. But I mean, Link is still okay here. Nothing to worry about for Link here. I should still sit back and relax here. If you're just holding, I should not worry about anything. And especially if you're also in a leverage trade, I do think that we can still increase massively in valuation for these altcoins. And especially once Bitcoin is going to finally chill out here, if Bitcoin is finally going to chill out here, yes, we're going to see liftoff to the upside here. I mean, this is absolutely insane. And I mean, guys, I'm loving to see these swing trades here. We are benefiting from the market right now. Pond is a great buy right now. Yeah, definitely have to agree with you. And Bitcoin, of course, right now just minor cool off here. I mean, finally invalidating this bearish divergence, what is very good here. Because otherwise that can maybe push the price a little bit lower here. And I see, guys, by the way, if you haven't already, make sure to smash up these likes right now here. We'll be absolutely grateful if you're doing so. Would be very lovely if you're doing so. And by the way, also, we're only 2 subscribers away from the 23.3k subscribers. So if you are new to the channel here, make sure to right now subscribe to the channel as well here. Just holding. Thank you, Rover. Dean Halfrey. That is absolutely insane. Bro, we need to consolidate for an Ethereum pump, and I have to agree with you. Yes, we do need to consolidate for an Ethereum pump, and I mean, you do want to compare Ethereum to Bitcoin. And if we look to this this chart here, we do want to spot some multiple levels here of support and resistance. But I mean, you can see here, maybe if you look to this immediate short-term level, you can see previous resistance here. This was acting as a previous resistance, and it can maybe right now act as support. So maybe Ethereum is finally going to find a bounce anytime soon here. And once Ethereum is finding this bounce here, guys, you have to know, once Ethereum is finding this bounce, these other altcoins can definitely benefit from it. So I mean, I feel very exciting what we are right now seeing in the market in general. But of course, Bitcoin is right now the leading indicator. And I mean, there's so much hype around Bitcoin. Everyone is accumulating Bitcoin. And I mean, if you look to the on-chain data, you can see that there are a lot of whales that are accumulating Bitcoin. So I mean, I find this very exciting here, and I will go into the on-chain data as well here because I want to keep you guys up to date what the market is doing here. I want to keep you guys up to date what we are thinking about the market especially. Let me see, the funding rates are also, by the way, going sky high here, so please be careful. And finally, I have this chart intact here, and this is a chart, guys, that you do want to look at. And I see Nahum. Please look for swing trades on altcoins right now. Definitely, I will look after this. I will look for an opportunity for a swing trade on Femex on an altcoin, and we're probably going to open it live in the stream here. So definitely keep an eye out on the stream. But look at that. Look at this here. I was looking to the chart here. And I was looking at the chart and I was seeing, okay, every time once we're in these purple zones, we are basically in normal levels for the funding fees. And everything above it is overextended levels for these funding fees. But always once we are going into these purple levels, it's a very good place to open swing trades. So if you open a swing trade over here in January, mid-January, you know you did a very good job here. If you open a swing trade over here, what we of course did here because we were accumulating more swing trades. And that's also the reason, Nahum, thank you for your donation here. And that's also the reason why we will be looking for a swing trade entry, because this was also indicating that we were getting this opportunity here. So, I mean, very exciting times here. The funding fees, of course, going higher right now, but it's very likely to see once the market is going up so quickly here. But yeah, looking at swing trades possibilities here, you have loads of coins that you right now can trade on Femex here. And if you want to join these next trades here, because we're going to open a live trade in the stream here, you can definitely sign up right now already and yeah, maybe consider. I mean, if you want to follow it, or follow our trades, yeah, definitely make sure to sign up here. But I want to look at Euro Finance here because I find Euro Finance a very undervalued asset right now, to be honest. And I really like the asset as well here. But I mean, if you look to the 4 hourly, it's not particularly undervalued here. But I mean, the project is very good here. And you can see this gray box was still holding us back here as resistance. So, of course, we can still see another leg down getting created here. But once Bitcoin is finally cooling off, I think we can definitely see more and more money flow into these altcoins. And also, just this is a chart that I do want to go into, by the way. Let me see. This, I think it was called this. Yes, it was this called. It is this chart. I'm sorry. So this is the altcoin percentage in dominance, guys. And this is also a very important chart that you do want to look at because, in my opinion, yeah, this is a chart we can signify the altcoin season. You can see over here in January 2018, we topped out of approximately 64% for the altcoin dominance here. Right now, we're sitting 38% for the altcoin dominance. So let's see if we're going to see something interesting in the chart because, yeah, we are in this rising channel here. We are creating some kind of a wedge here to the upside. So maybe if we're going to see another leg down here, definitely looking to accumulate more swing trades on altcoins. But I mean, in general, right now, I do still think that we're up, that we are ready to go to the upper side of this wedge here. And if we are going to go to the opposite side of this wedge, this can show us that the Bitcoin dominance will be sitting around 53% and the altcoin dominance will be sitting around 47%. So I think definitely the altcoin dominance can increase in valuation anytime soon here. And you can see always once touching this gray box here, we are having liftoff, and we always get a perfect touch of this gray box, and after that we are lifting off, and we're never seeing this this gray box here for approximately how long did it took? It took approximately 1.5 years before touching this gray box once again here. So in my opinion, we are ready for liftoff. We are ready to see some higher highs getting created here. So I will be keeping an eye out on this chart here. But in my opinion, we can definitely increase to the top side of this chart. And that's also the reason why I do think, yeah, maybe we are going to see this insane prices here in these altcoins again here. Because if we're going to see a breakout here, I mean, these gains in the altcoins can be literally 5x or maybe 5x in a week here. You're probably going to go to CoinMarketCap and you're seeing every single coin 400% here. If you're just scrolling across the board, only a few will be red, everything will be green here. And guys, that's also the reason why I'm accumulating more altcoins, especially like I told you before, I do think that the altcoin season is still yet to happen here, and there will be some insane gains here. So definitely make yourself ready. Be prepared for this insane rally to the upside. And this is also a thing that I do want to discuss before opening any trades here, because you do want to first look at the technicals here before opening a trade, because if you're not looking to the technicals here, yeah, you don't know what to do here. So, I mean, this is of course, the Bitcoin dominance. And previously we were having this descending triangle. We also perfectly traded here on the channel. Of course, the channel was very, very small by then here. We were, it was approximately 1 month ago here. We told you guys, is alt season starting here. It was already a long period ago. Of course, probably not a lot of you guys knew me by then here. I mean, we just smashed the 23.3k subscribers. So thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button here. But I mean, we also perfectly played this on the retest, so that was also very nice. I accumulated more altcoins, and there was of course also the big altcoin boom by the half of January. But right now, what we're seeing maybe some kind of a descending triangle getting formed. And of course, this is not the most beautiful pattern, but this is of course the Bitcoin dominance, and people are not really taking this as a trade. And I mean, you have to get the market sentiment. You know that the market sentiment is to the downside, so it's more likely that we are probably going to have another push down here once touching this level. So I'm very curious. Probably going to see a correction anytime soon here. And this is also a very important thing here, by the way, because this can really show is that the immediate short term can be very bearish here for the Bitcoin dominance here. And if the Bitcoin dominance is going to push lower here, we can definitely open a swing trade here on altcoins. And that's also the reason why I do want to open a swing trade anytime soon here right now on these altcoins, because still having this downtrend here, and it's probably still intact here. So let's see if we can open a swing trade on these altcoins here right now, because we're right now trading against resistance here on this Bitcoin dominance chart. So very exciting what we are seeing here. Very exciting what we are seeing. Which crypto should we invest in for the maximum profits? And there are a lot of good cryptos there. I cannot give you any financial advice here, but I mean, YLD Yield app is definitely a hidden gem right now. So that's a coin that you have to keep in mind here. I mean, I will not talk a lot about this coin here because I will maybe make a special video about this coin, because this coin is majorly undervalued in my opinion. So make sure to get exposed here. I do think it has huge potential here. It has huge potential here. Right now sitting around 90 cents here. And in my opinion, very, very cheap buy here. Already bought into this coin around 70 cents here, even though it's still expensive, because yeah, you could have bought this coin around 20 cents here, but I still believe in this project. And I still think that I'm going to write this maybe to let's say 10 US dollars or so, because that will be my target to cash out here. And I will make some insane gains here on this coin. So this is definitely a coin that you do want to keep an eye out on, because I do think that this coin can perform very strong here, and you have to do your own research. But basically what this coin is doing is giving you API here, is giving you returns on Bitcoin, Ethereum, even in a bear market. So very exciting what you can do here. You can also stake the coins. So yeah, make sure to do some research if you want to get into these projects, what are basically hidden gems here. So of course, I love hidden gems here, and just gave you one. So make sure to thank me later here. Of course, doesn't matter completely. I'm doing this, of course, for you guys. Lovely to do, of course. I like to do it. And I mean, would like to see what Ethereum is going to do here, because we're touching this gray box here compared to Bitcoin. Would like to see a bounce here in the price action of Ethereum. But I think before the alt season, before this altcoin lift-off season can really happen, we have to see Ethereum also increasing in valuation, because Ethereum will be the leader here in this pump. So let me see. I want to really open a position here on Ethereum, to be honest, guys. I want to open a swing trade position here on Ethereum, but the point here is that I'm not going to rush into any trades, and I do want to wait for a perfect opportunity here. So for now on, we are right now not having a perfect opportunity, and please don't spam in the chat, because if you're spamming in the chat, you will get blocked here. And guys, by the way, we're watching with 600 live viewers. If you haven't liked the video already, make sure to do so right now. It will be very amazing if you're doing so. It's only taking 5 seconds of your time, and you're supporting the channel. So let me know if you smashed up these likes here. It will be, of course, very amazing if you are doing so. Don't own any, unfortunately. I mean, Algo is also very good. I traded it, but I don't own it. Okay, so Algorand. I will look at Algorand, because I know Algorand. We can also trade it on Femex and Algorand. Let me get this chart in front of me. I mean, Algorand hasn't done anything yet, and probably this coin can also reverse to the top side once again anytime soon. Here, I mean, the upside target will be 61% here to the previous all-time high. And I mean, Algorand, also a very interesting project. It's just very similar to Yield app, I'm sorry. It's very similar to Yield app. So YLD is very similar to Algorand. And Algorand also performing very strong here. So definitely, maybe we will take a swing trade here on Algorand here, because Algorand can also really break out anytime soon here. You can see the ascending triangle right there playing out here. Do want to get an entry in here on Algorand. So let's go to Algorand here, because I know we can trade Algorand here. Yes, we can trade Algorand here compared to against the US dollar. So I mean, maybe we're going to just open a trade here with a low leverage here, just sitting on it, because I definitely believe in this project, and I do. I mean, I do want to see another move down here, but I do want to accumulate this coin, because definitely if we're going to see Bitcoin finally cooling off here, these altcoins are going to have massive gains, guys. And I know for sure this coin can easily 100% here once again here. I mean, Algo, where's this right now sitting, Algo? Algo is sitting around P35 here, sitting around 2.9 billion. I mean, of course, very good asset here. Will perform very strong here anytime soon here, once again. So, is it smart to stake your Ethereum in Ethereum 2.0 on Binance? Okay, if you're, I mean, I like staking. I mean, yes, you can. Yes, you can. I mean, why? If you're the point here is, if you're just going to hold, why not stake? Because if you're staking, you're also getting some returns. Will BET pump further off cooling up? I will look into BET in a second here. ADA and Elko, both science coins. What I like, I mean, yeah, definitely. I hold Algorand already for a long period of time here. I mean, it started off with a joke, but I mean, Algorand is a very good coin here and very good potential. So also another super chat here from Julo, and you're saying API and chain games, please. So yeah, definitely I will look into it, my friend. So API is not really showing information. This is not the right chart. I don't have API finance here on this chart, but I do have chain games, right? I mean the problem here is that I don't have these coins on trading view, so that's pretty unfortunate, of course. But I mean, API finance here is of course dropping off still to the downside here. I mean, I should not be worrying about this coin. It's right now giving you a very good opportunity here. I mean, it's giving you a very strong buying opportunity, and I know the coin is pretty good here, and I know I like DeFi tokens here. It's also yield farming and yield token. So I mean, it's doing a very good here. Of course, you can buy this one on Uniswap here, and I mean, you do want to do research before buying into it, but I mean, you're seeing a major drop off here. It is maybe saying, okay, right now you're having a very good buying opportunity here. Let me see. Is this the right chart? I do think maybe it is the right chart here. So of course it's still falling off here compared to Wrapped Ether. So of course I don't like to compare these charts here compared to these coins here. But I mean, I can look at Chain Games, and Chain Games is also falling. But I mean, Chain Games is also still a hidden gem here. It's still pretty low in valuation, and it can still increase in value way faster and way higher to the upside here. Already seeing let's see, a 60% drop off from the top side, 55% drop off. So you're getting strong buying opportunities here, so please don't forget and accumulate, guys. Don't forget and accumulate. But I mean, I'm more exposed to bigger altcoins, because I do believe that this bull run will be different here. It will be mainly going towards good projects here, and I don't know, I'm not saying the Chain Games is a bad project here, but I mean, you have to do your research before buying into some coins here, guys. So I will also look at GRT in a second. We'll look at GRT here. Unfortunately, we cannot trade GRT here on FAMX, but we are willing to trade Algorand here on FAMX. So I mean, if we're going to see this move down here on Algorand, I will open a swing trade on Algorand, promised. I will open a swing trade on Algorand. So, I mean, you're saying, what are you seeing with GRT? And, I mean, GRT is looking very strong here. I mean, GRT is looking very strong. And GRT right now having this downtrend, downward sloping resistance line getting formed here. And since breaking this resistance line, we went to the downside here, and we retested this resistance line as support. So, this is looking very strong here. And this is looking very strong here, and I mean, definitely can see a momentum shift to the upside here. Maybe we're breaking out, and you can see this as a descending triangle. And if you're measuring this as a descending triangle, you can see a breakout target to the upside can be bringing us towards the $3. And Thomas B is donating €2, and you're saying, should I buy one Ethereum right now? I have enough money, and I mean, no financial advice, but if you have enough money, why only buy one? But I mean, yeah, definitely have. I don't know if you're already exposed. I don't know your financial situation here. I don't know if you're already exposed to Ethereum. I don't know if you're already exposed to crypto. But definitely get exposed. I mean, you know, if you're buying right now, you're still buying at relative high prices here. But like I told you before, like I told everyone before, buy right now, because if you're going to wait longer, you're going to pay more for one Ethereum, because it will only increase in valuation over the time here. And I mean, definitely embrace this opportunity here once again. And don't sit on the sidelines if you're not exposed to crypto here. So, of course, no financial advice here, but definitely consider stepping into these coins. And I mean, once Bitcoin is cooling off here, you can see Ethereum finally increasing in valuation a little bit here. 1 hourly, of course, still indecision here. But I mean, 1 hourly of Ethereum is doing better than Bitcoin. So maybe we're going to see a momentum shift here right now from Bitcoin going towards Ethereum. So let's see. And Sander Muller also donated €2 here. So thank you so much for your donation. You're saying, hey, please look at Feta. And I will definitely look at Feta here for you, because Feta, of course, big NFT, absolutely exploding here. And let me see, if we go to CoinMarketCap, just quickly looking at NFTs here, Feta, you can see already, of course, the 1 billion Feta is already the maximum. Of course, it's an NFT here, but I mean, it's around like 6 billion market cap here. Of course, the last 7 days here, 60% approximately increase in valuation. So this was, of course, a very insane increase of price. What is, of course, very nice to see here, because we are loving to see these very green days here across the day, across the board. But I mean, we were already looking to Feta a long time ago here. We're already looking at the chart, let's say, the start of February. But yeah, you can see here multiple buying opportunities at this previous resistance line flipping into support. So you can see here you could have bought 2 times at a very good price here, around $2.80 here. But I mean, even a third time you could have bought over here as well. But I mean, right now going pretty high here, and of course we want to see and what Feta will do here in the immediate short term. And if I look to the immediate short term, I can right away see that we are right now seeing this 3.618 getting broken and having a retest here of this previous resistance line flipping into support. But what we are right now seeing, so this is basically already saying, okay, these Fibonacci lines are showing a lot of significance. But what you can see right now is that you're moving to the upside, and right now retesting this top side of this Fibonacci level. So do want to see a break of this level before flipping bullish, because we haven't closed the 4 hourly above it yet. We haven't closed the 1 hourly above it. And of course, just recently, let me see, the 4 hourly will still take 2 hours and 39 minutes here. But if you look to the 1 hourly, do want to close this 1 hourly above this resistance line. Still fighting on this line, so we still have to wait here for Feta to see where it is heading towards. But yeah, creating a new all-time high just this hour. So Feta is just doing as strong as Bitcoin right now. And probably these NFTs will do very, very good here, because Bitcoin is increasing in valuation. And there's a lot of hype around NFTs here. And it can definitely only increase more here. But I mean, you should be very careful. 4 hourly majorly overextended here. And in my opinion, if I be really honest with you, I know there's a lot of hype around NFTs here. I know there are very good NFTs here, but you should definitely take it with a lot of caution here, because it can definitely also reverse very quickly to the downside here. So just a quickly reminder that you don't want to rush into anything. But But thank you so much for your support of the nation. But look at Ethereum. Look at Ethereum, how it is crushing the market right now here. Ethereum is absolutely leading. Of course, Bitcoin is still leading the market. But Ethereum, compared to Bitcoin, we were looking at the scenario here. Gray box scenario. It was acting as support here. And you can see we are getting a bounce right now. So Ethereum is right now sitting around $1,860 US here. Already 62 here, so on FAMX. So Ethereum is doing a very strong job here. And of course, I would like to enter a swing trade here on Ethereum. But I will be not rushing into anything. I still will wait. Of course, I know that if I go in the trade right now, I mean, if I open a low leverage trade here, definitely will do pretty good here. But I mean, I don't want to rush into anything here. I do want to get into more altcoins here, because I do think this push up to the upside can definitely be a lot of altcoins that will be pushing to the upside. So I mean, you can always trade at your own risk here, but I will at least wait a little bit longer here to see some more clear opportunities in the market here. So, yeah, 75K here. Yeah, absolutely insane. Bitcoin 75K here. It's crushing the market here. And of course, I mean, if Bitcoin is right now going to chill down here, this will be time for Ethereum. It will be time for the altcoins. And people are saying Litecoin is pumping. And I will also look at Litecoin for a second here. Litecoin is pumping. Yeah, Litecoin is doing an insane job here. Also breaking out of the symmetrical triangle here. Right now, sitting around $207 US here. Very exciting what we can see right now in the market, guys. There's only green across the days here, green across the border here. I mean, it's so exciting what we can see right now. So exciting what we can see. We are benefiting from it, of course. We are benefiting from it. So let me see. Is BNB a good coin to hold? Please tell me. I bought some around to $300 and definitely it's a good coin. It's definitely a good coin to hold here because BNB. I will tell you once again here. You bought at 285. I mean, you're still in a profit here. Oh, maybe. Wait. Oh, I said it wrong. Did I said 75? I mean 57. I mean, I didn't meant to say 75K here. Sorry. No, sorry. But I mean, the BNB, definitely a good coin here. Definitely a good coin to hold here. Definitely a good asset to hold here. And especially if you look at the long-term vision here. I mean, I always look at I always have a long-term vision here to look at certain coins here if it's good, if it is a good coin to hold for a longer period of time here. And BNB is definitely one of these coins that I'm planning to hold for a longer period of time here. Definitely looking to hold this for a long period of time. Sorry, excuse me, I had to do something. But I mean, BNB should not be worried that you bought around $285. I mean, it wouldn't be surprised if it's going to watch the 2K here in this coming bull run. I mean, we're going to see probably some insane things and some weird things here. We're going to see, let's say, 800% across the days here with some altcoins in the top 100. So, I mean, the craziness is just starting here. And if you're right now accumulating, you're doing a good job here. Is it already 50? Oh, 58K. No, we're not at 58K yet here. Maybe on some other. Today at let's see. Today at 9 p.m. we are going to reach an all-time high around 58K. I mean, I would be definitely loving it. And if we're going to reach an all-time high here, if we're still seeing yeah, momentum going to the upside here, we will still be live here with you guys, of course. So I do have to get a drinking. I do have to get a coffee in if we're going to be that long live here, of course. I mean, I would sure love it. If we're going to see this price reverse to the upside here, I would definitely spend my time with you guys here to see where the Bitcoin market is heading towards. This test is going very nice here. No resistance yet here. We're doing such a good job here. Shall we buy Litecoin right now? I mean, yeah, you can definitely. I mean, I'm not holding you back here. But I mean, Litecoin, of course, will probably still be around here. But I mean, not the best investment in my opinion. You can already see it in the returns here in these last coming 3 months or so. There were some better assets that you could have held instead of Litecoin. Litecoin to $500, it will definitely reach $500. I'm not even surprised if it's going to surpass the 700 or 800. People are saying Ethereum time. Yes, finally, we're maybe going to see Ethereum finally taking off here. It will be for us very lovely if we can see so. But I mean, we were creating in the immediate short term some kind of a resistance line here on the 5 minutes. And it is looking like that we are finally breaking this resistance line. So this is, of course, a very good thing here for the price of Ethereum here. So I mean, I will be looking forward to see where we are heading towards there. I will definitely be looking forward to see where we are heading towards. So yeah, I mean, it's very exciting times here, guys. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Are you in any trades? Yes, we are sure in a trade here of Bitcoin. You can see right now 55% profits here. So we're doing a strong job here. Of course, this is with the trading account. This is with the trading challenge. Of course, we are still accumulating more Bitcoin here, doing the right thing here. We're doing the right thing. Do you think VeChain will take a dip here or carry on? I will look at VeChain for a second here because I know VeChain. We were yesterday watching the VeChain. I do want to look at the chart real quickly here because yeah, VeChain broke through this resistance line here, and we were telling you guys once touching this supportive line here on the Fibonacci 3.618 here. This will be the level that we will be accumulating more VeChain here. So, of course, yesterday almost touching this level here. Almost a perfect touch here, but do want to see a clear touch before really opening this position. Or if you want to leverage trade, I mean, this level around to 5.9 cents here will be definitely a very strong level to open a long position here. Very strong resistance right now acting as support. And maybe people were already too greedy. That's the reason why they already stepped in over here. So in my opinion, yes, VeChain can see another move down here before really moving to the upside here. But VeChain is a very good asset here and definitely going to perform as well very good here in the coming days here, in the coming bull run, in the coming bull cycle here. these coins will perform very strong here, and I know for sure. Crypto over. You say hold BNB for the long time after the bull run. What will you do? I mean, the point here is I don't know how this bull run will be here, and I will definitely take profits here also on BNB. But the point here is that I will be looking to hold also a lot of BNB for, let's say, 10 to 15 years here. I know it's a large time frame here, but I do think it can be very profitable here, because I know Bitcoin will be around here in 10 to 15 years at least. That is my vision here on the market. And if Bitcoin is going to be around here for 10 to 15 years here, Binance coin is also a coin that will be hugely invested to. I mean, you can buy stocks of Binance, or you can buy just Binance coin here to hold. And I mean, Binance, the exchange, will be around here in 10 years because Bitcoin is. And that's also the reason why Binance coin will be around and be very, very big here. In my opinion, Binance coin will always be one of the top 10 biggest altcoins here. And that's also the reason why I'm holding it hugely, because I wouldn't be surprised if we're going to see a 10K Binance coin here in 10 years or so. Of course, it can go way up. It can go up way, way higher here. But that's also the reason why I'm holding it. And also, they're burning tokens. And I mean, once a certain coin is burning tokens is definitely already a very, very strong factor for me, and it's also the reason why I'm holding it, and I'm going to hold it for the long run here. And guys, this crypto is going to be huge here. Crypto is going to be huge in 10 to 15 years here. So of course you guys are already knowing it, but I mean, I'm loving to see this, and I'm loving to spend my time with you guys here. And I know, I mean, you guys are probably also already knowing it, but I mean, I'm so glad I'm so early to this market here. And you guys are also, if you're just watching it right now, if you're just reading about crypto, or if you're just seeing this video, if you're just seeing this live stream for the first time, you don't even know what crypto is or so, I mean, this is your time of your life. This is your once in a lifetime opportunity to make some insane amounts of money. And probably you guys are all here to make some good gains here. And guys, by the way, if you're new to the channel, you can right now also subscribe to the channel. It will be amazing. And I mean, right now watching with 700 people. Guys, let me know if you already liked the video, because we're only 10 likes away from the 200 likes here. Will be absolutely amazing if we can reach the 200 likes here. So, yeah, will be very cool. Will be very cool if we can reach it. So let me know. Let me know. Please check Bitcoin Cash. I don't really like Bitcoin Cash. That's the point why I will not really look at it. Can you check ADA? And I will sure check ADA here. But guys, let me know if you already smashed up the likes. Will be very cool here. It's only taking 5 seconds of your time, but you're helping me out so good here. So will be very cool if you can do so. Will be very cool if you can do so. Yeah, I see we just smashed for the 200 likes here. So thank you so much for all liking the video here. I mean, you guys are the best here. I'm loving to see this. And people are saying $88 to $10 soon here. I mean, of course, it can definitely reach $10, but I think $10 is pretty optimistic. But yeah, I mean, if you look to ADA here, you can see a rich sloping support line getting formed here. Still holding on to this line here, so that's pretty good here. Grey box still acting as support here. And I mean, ADA is also ready to lift off anytime soon here once again. But the point here is what is making me a little bit, feeling me a little bit concerned about ADA here, is that you can see the ADA compared to Bitcoin valuation is right now moving to the downside here. But I do want to see a bounce back to the upside here before flipping bullish once again here. I do want to see a wick getting created here on the lower side. Do want to see the price moving up here once again. So for the price action of Cardano compared to Bitcoin, we still need to close this daily candle a little bit higher here. We still need to make a wick on the lower side here. And if we're making a wick on the lower side here, I can definitely flip very bullish here and can definitely say that we have to accumulate more Cardano compared to Bitcoin here in the coming days. And also, still, Cardano compared to Ethereum, do want to see another drop-off here to this gray box before accumulating really more Cardano here. So the point here, I do want to see Ethereum increase in valuation and Cardano just sitting around here. And then we will be looking to accumulate ADA and also looking to open a swing trade position on ADA. So I mean, ADA, of course, looking very strong here. Very exciting what we are seeing with ADA. And Oliver donated £2 here. Thank you so much for your donation. You are saying, what do you think is a good entry for Bitcoin on spot? I mean, if you really want to rush into the trade here, I mean, you're talking on spot. I know you guys want to enter more trades here. I know you guys want to crush the market here, but you have to control your emotions. Don't drive the FOMO here, because 4 hourly getting overextended here. 1 hourly also pretty overextended, but of course we can go way higher here still. We can easily break through the all-time high here anytime soon. I mean, we can see such a big candle to the upside. and then see a correction of the previous all-time high. This is maybe a little bit too ambitious, this candle, but I mean, we can see massive momentum shift to the upside here, and then see this retest, and after that go higher once again. But definitely, we have to wait and see how this will go here. So, what's a good entry on spot here for Bitcoin? If you really want to have a good entry here, because you're saying you want to have a good entry, I mean, I should wait a little bit longer here, because I still think that Bitcoin can easily reverse here. And I mean, I would not be surprised if we're going to see so. But it will be very healthy for Bitcoin, and that is the point that I will be trying to make here. I want to see Bitcoin correct in a healthy way here. And if I want to see Bitcoin correct in a healthy way, I do want to see this move towards the 0.786 here to the downside. If we are going to see this move here, this will be giving us a solid position here to enter a position, a long trade. And definitely, if you're looking to add more to your position, because we're already in this amazing swing trade, of course, definitely this will be the area that you can definitely add more to your position. So, yeah, keep an eye out on the channel, keep an eye out on the Discord server, because we will try and definitely keep you guys up to date here. And I mean, I should not rush into anything right now, because we are overextended. Of course, we can go way higher, but the point here is you get a perfect opportunity, or you wait for the next opportunity. And for now on, it is looking like that you have to wait for the next opportunity here. Don't rush into anything here, because then you're getting wrecked. Then you're absolutely getting wrecked. And that is the point. We don't want to get wrecked here. And guys, by the way, if you want to day trade, you can use the referral links in the description. It will be very cool if you're doing so, because you're supporting the channel and you're getting some insane bonuses yourself. So that will be, of course, very cool if you're doing so. And yeah, quickly want to give one update here. And I quickly want to give one update here, and that is that you can join this training competition here. Let me see. Let me quickly refresh it. Oh my gosh, right now having 1,100 people join this training competition, guys. So this is the thing that you want to do right now. The first 2,000 users are getting another $10 bonus. But I mean, if you're joining our team, that will be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so, because then we can crush the market all together here. But you can see right now having 131 members in our team already. So if you want to support the team, it's completely free. You only have to have 0.05 Bitcoin, 0.005 Bitcoin. Sorry, I said it wrong. So you only have to have not a lot of Bitcoin if you want to participate. And what you can win is up to 45 Bitcoin. If more people are going to participate, the prize pool will be bigger and bigger. And if we're going to become the #1 here, we're going to gain 25% of the total prize pool. And we're going to do this all together here. So the first link in the description is a link to join our team here. So if you're already signed up to Femex, you can right away join the team here. But if you haven't already signed up here, you can also sign up right now to join this competition, because you can make a lot of money with only, let's say, $50. And you can make already up to, let's say, 4 Bitcoin. If you're a very good trader, you can show it off right here, because you're also getting some individual rewards. So make sure to join the team. How bigger the team is, how stronger we are, how more likely it will be that we're going to win here. So it will be, of course, very cool if you're joining the team here. Of course, there are a lot of teams here, but let's make this Crypto Rover team the best team here. So, yeah, of course, getting very exciting if you're joining the team here. So, Chris Schurer also saying, we'll get 10K on Saturday. Hope it doesn't blast before. We'll get 10K on Saturday. Hope it does. What are you talking about? Probably you mistyped something. Raymond, you're saying, did your Twitter account survive the purge earlier this morning? It did. But Chris, let me know if you said it incorrectly here. But will 10K on Saturday? Will it get 10K on Saturday? I mean, what are you talking about? Will it get 10K on Saturday? Are you talking about the signups? Yes, can definitely get it. But I mean, you still have 13 days to sign up here, guys, if you want to join this competition as well here. But it will be very amazing, because we can compete all together here, and we're going to make this team so strong here, the Crypto Rover team. We will show them who we are here. So, yeah, definitely make sure to join it. And let me know in the chat if you're already joined it. I'm in the team, General Gyun. Yeah, very amazing, guys, that you are joining here, because if you're joining right now, you're a part of the family, and you will be making some good gains here, because I think we can definitely win this this competition here and crush the market altogether. 10K dip or increase? Definitely, I don't think that we're going to see a 10K dip here. Chris, Thank you for donating once again here. You're saying I meant buying 10k Bitcoin on Saturday. So yeah, I would really hope for you that we're going to see a very really red couple days here for Bitcoin. Because if you want to buy 10k more into Bitcoin, definitely you don't want to buy at these high prices. But I mean, if you're going to buy 10k a Bitcoin right now and you're going to sit on it, you're definitely making some good profits here for the long term here. Is Bitcoin in buy right now? And yes, Chris, I'm also going to answer this for you because people are already also saying, is Bitcoin buy right now? Yeah. Get into Bitcoin because you don't want to miss the boat here. And GSB is saying, yes, I am in. Let's go. So thank you for joining the team here. Let's make this a strong team. Let's make this the strongest team here. And let's crush this this market altogether here. And I mean, it's very nice that you're also getting this $10 bonus. Of course, not a lot here, but I mean, these first 2,000 members, still 900 members are getting this bonus, so that's pretty okay here. So yeah, I mean, you can still sign up here. It would be very cool if you're doing so. Will Ethereum drop more for us, or should we buy the dip right now? I mean, at least for Bitcoin, I'm still anticipating another leg to the downside here. I would certainly love to see this another leg to the downside getting created here, because if we're going to see this another leg to the downside, I would definitely love it, because that will give us more opportunities to open certain swing trades on some altcoins. But I'm not saying that we are really going to get this this dump off here. I mean, I'm not saying that we are going to get a dump here, but yeah, I mean, definitely we can see this momentum shift to the 55.2k here, and I would certainly love to see this, of course, because this will give us very good opportunities. Bitcoin going for the retest. I mean, guys, if we're going to get this retest here, this will definitely be a strong level to open a trade here if you have it already. If you have it already, this will be the level to open a trade here. And guys, if we're going to see Algorand also move to the downside here, because I definitely want to get into Algorand here. I just love the project here, of course. And also want to hop onto the swing trade here, just on Algo here. So looking forward to see Algo move to the downside here, creating a big wick on the downside here, and getting this opportunity here to open this position on Algo as well here. Because I mean, I certainly would love to open a position on Algo. I certainly would love to open a position on Algo. So yeah, I mean, you still see this brick red candle on the 1 hourly, and I mean, we were almost creating a bearish divergence on the 1 hourly. 4 hourly didn't create a bearish divergence. Still wick on the top side. We can do anything here. We can still do anything here. Nothing to worry about. Don't stress out here. But I mean, I would definitely love to see a bounce coming in here for Bitcoin. I would definitely love to see Bitcoin reversing to the downside here, giving this position for us to accumulate more Bitcoin, to open a bigger position. It would be very cool if we can see so. My dad is 82 years old, and he just bought 2k Bitcoin, so that's pretty insane. You did a very good job for your dad here. Bought Bitcoin for 20k, correction. Oh, yeah, 20k, even did a better job here. So very nice here. Yeah, I mean, Rayman, that's pretty interesting, man. That's pretty interesting. But I mean, very good that you bought the Bitcoin for your dad. Very good, man. 82 years old and still buying Bitcoin, then you're just a legend. Thoughts on CHZ on Swissberg? Seems like these say age range right now, but I mean, thoughts on the Swissberg probably will do good as well. Well, I can look at it. Wait, you were saying? Oh, you were saying a different coin. Oh, wait, you're saying a different coin. I thought you were talking about Swissberg, but it's Chili's. But I mean, 1 hourly, you can see maybe forming some kind of a bull flag here. So definitely looking forward to see where this will be ending here. Let's see if we're going to see a clear breakout anytime soon here. It would be, of course, very nice if we can see it. If we're going to see this breakout of this bull flag, we can definitely increase in valuation. So let's see where we're heading towards. You're Jacob Williams. Thank you for your support of the nation here. And once again, you're saying Raver. What's up going with? Let me see. What's up going with Nam here? Major dump, and then you're saying a poop smiley. So thank you so much for your donation here. But we were watching yesterday to Nam here. examine them. You're seeing a major dump here, and of course, it's not very likely to see these major dumps here once Bitcoin is going higher. But yeah, you can see right now this coin is doing so. So nothing is impossible. And you can see from the top where we are right now, 31% decrease in valuation. But I mean, it was very good if we were finding support at this level, because then we were finding support at the previous top here. So there was likely a very strong level of support, but right now moving a little bit lower here, definitely giving you an opportunity to buy into this coin. I mean, I don't know what is happening here. Maybe it's some kind of a fundamental news point here. So of course I don't know exactly what is going on here. If it's something fundamentally, or if it's bad news here, you have to be careful here. But if it's just a dump here, I should definitely accumulate here. I should definitely accumulate. And maybe these guys are dumping because they're willing to buy into Bitcoin because they can see Bitcoin moving and these other coins are not moving. And that's also a possibility that you can see right now. Google is right now. Austin Martin signs a deal with Crypto.com. Why you're spamming? I was reading your question, but I know it was they already signed this deal with they already signed a deal. Already, let's say a week or 2 weeks ago. That's old news. Let me see. Do you think Bitcoin will bounce on a 55k here? I think definitely it will be a very strong level of support here. Definitely a very strong level of support. So a bounce is very likely to see as well. What do you think about Makers here? Today I read a lot about Maker here. And Maker is also a coin. I'm not exposed to Maker yet, but I'm willing to buy it, let's say, any day here. Feel very good, very good. Thoughts on Polkadot? I mean, feel very bullish about Polkadot here. We'll go into it in a second. When will be your next long for Bitcoin? Of course, we are still in this position of Bitcoin, but the 55.2k here will be the level that you can, if you haven't already, open a position on Bitcoin. Of course, no financial advice here. Always have to trade at your own risk here. And if you want to trade, you can trade on Phanex here. I mean, it's my favorite exchange, so definitely exchange that I'm right now would recommend here. And I mean, yeah, I will right now look at that here, but I mean, definitely 55.2k will be the level that we can maybe open a position here. But Polkadot, this is a coin that I will be looking at, and I was looking at Polkadot already a long period of time, and you can see right now Polkadot, of course, doing a pretty nice job here. The price target will be sitting around 50k here, $50 US there for Polkadot. Once we're seeing a clear breakout of this symmetrical triangle, and we are seeing so. So we are watching at the 4-hourly candle, so probably going to see a lot of volatility getting created here, and probably going to meet the price target anytime soon here. So let's see if we're also going to go parabolic for Polkadot as well here, because I think it's very likely to see here, guys. I think it's very likely to see. I think it's very likely to see Polkadot increase very fast in valuation, especially because Bitcoin is, and you know, once Bitcoin is pulling off here, these altcoins can definitely benefit from it. And right now, looking at the symmetrical triangle formation here of Polkadot, you can see that also we already broke out here, and the price target is sitting around $50 US, and the market sentiment is looking strong here. So I think we're going to reach the $50 US anytime soon here for Polkadot. And also, finally, we broke once again here on the daily. Let me see. Now we are above the 20-day moving average once again here. So I mean, also we'll flip on the EMA ribbon here for Bitcoin on the 4-hourly, because I also want to look at the EMA ribbon here. Very important, of course, to look at. And I mean, you can see we were getting also a long signal on the EMA ribbon here. Also bought onto the support here on the EMA ribbon. Of course, 49.7k, legendary entry. And I mean, I mean that was of course looking very strong here. So EMA ribbon will definitely act as support once again here. And the point here was very funny here. Here you saw also the same sentiment. So you saw short, long, and the second long was the long position that you did have to take. And right now having the same once again here. So I mean, it's looking good here. And I mean, we had this almost a bearish crossover, guys. This was pretty insane here. We were also talking about this, the 50 and the 20-day moving average. Of course, once the green candle going to cross the red candle, you're seeing a death cross. And we almost get the death cross. We were talking about the death cross here. We were telling you guys, okay, definitely be careful, because we can see a death cross happen anytime soon here. But we still the 50-day moving average curved to the upside here, and still haven't created a death cross here. So that's very nice, of course. Right now the green 50-day moving average is going higher once again here. So it's looking like that we are going to Got a little bit higher here once again with the moving average, so that's pretty nice here. No bearish crossover, no death cross, what is very strong and very good for Bitcoin as well. And yeah, I mean, yeah, VPVR is showing that we are having the most amount of volume traded here around the 34K here. So yeah, we're right now just almost trading at levels that we haven't traded before. So you have to know, of course, we already have traded above these levels, but I mean, we haven't traded with a lot of volume around these levels. So basically, there will be almost no there will be almost no resistance here. We can definitely increase the valuation of Bitcoin pretty quickly here. There will be, of course, don't get me wrong, there will be still very major resistance here at the top side here at the previous all-time high. But after that, once again, price discovery here. Bitcoin can definitely see, yeah, very insane digits anytime soon here once again. But I mean, yeah, let's see what Crypto Quant is right now having for us. Let me see if I can see a very interesting chart that I can share with you guys. So let me see miners. Let me see the miner flows here. Let me go to the 1 hour. Let me see if the miners are still dumping here. Let me see if they are dumping right now, or if they are cooling off here, because probably they are cooling off here. And that's also the reason why we are right now seeing this price increasement. Yeah, you can see miners are not dropping off so quickly here. I mean, they're still selling a lot of Bitcoin here. You can see it. They're still selling a lot of Bitcoin, but not as much as previously. And you can right away see the Bitcoin price going so high here. Nothing is holding Bitcoin back right now. And that's the thing that I like to see here. That is the thing that I like to see here. Of course, very lovely to see. And I mean, I would definitely love to see yeah, the price even go higher and higher and higher. So let me check real quickly here. So, if you're new to the channel, by the way, you can right away also subscribe to the channel. It would be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so, because the channel is, of course, growing absolutely crazy here. So, it would be very lovely if you're tuning in as well here. And by the way, guys, having 750 live viewers, make sure to smash up the likes right now, because we're only 70 likes away from the 300 likes here. And that will be a target that I would definitely would love to hit here. So, 300 likes, can we reach it live in the stream? Let me know, guys. If you're willing to smash up the like button right now, will be, of course, very cool. Will be very cool if you're doing so. So let me know what you guys want me to look at. Let me know what you guys want me to look at, because then I will definitely look into your request here. Yeah, miners are chilling. Yeah, miners finally chilling off here. Very nice to see. I just spent $310 here on Polkadot here. What do you think about this choice? I think it's a very good choice here. I think it's a very good choice here for what you are doing right now. And right now you're seeing a big wick getting created on the lower side here. So basically this is saying that Bitcoin is showing a lot of strength here. So let's see if we're still going to increase in valuation to the upside here. How much higher do you think Ethereum can go right now? Ethereum can definitely break the all-time high anytime soon here, especially tomorrow or the day after. I think these coming 2 days here are going to be very, very exciting days here, especially on the price action on these altcoins. Any thoughts on Cardano? I feel so strong about Cardano. Cardano will also... I know for sure that Cardano will do very good here, but we need to see Cardano creating this wick on the lower side here on the daily compared to Bitcoin. And man, I see a lot of requests coming in here, so definitely will try and do my best, of course. But yeah, make sure to smash up the likes. I see we're only 2 likes away, guys. If we're going to reach a 300... Let's say, okay, we're going to give away a mark if we're going to reach... Oh, damn. There was still water in it, so I spilled it all over myself. I'm crazy. So, guys, let me know. Do you want to win a mark here? Because we're going to give away a mark here if we're going to reach the 500 likes in the stream, okay? 500 likes in the stream, and we're going to give away a mark here. It would be, of course, very amazing if you're right now liking the video here, because then we will be giving away this mark. I just got 40 more marks in there in today, so... I will ship to you guys. Doesn't matter where you're living. I mean, I will ship it to you guys. So make sure to smash up the likes right now, because then we're going to give this mark away anytime soon here. We're just going to pick someone in the chat here today in the stream. So make sure to just still chill in the stream here and don't spam with the chat, because if you're spamming, you will get blocked here. But I mean, Cardano compared to Bitcoin, do want to see this wick getting created on the lower side here. So yeah, definitely. You see, I spilled all this water over my t-shirt. So right now it's all these black... This is not looking good. This is not looking good here. But I mean, we definitely want to see this wick getting created on the price action of Cardano. Otherwise, I will be flipping a little bit more bearish here on Cardano. Yeah, Cardano to Ethereum still want to see him move down here, to be honest. So if just Ethereum can increase the valuation and Cardano just sit down here, we will be looking to opportunities. We will be looking for opportunities to maybe accumulate more Cardano here, or maybe take a trade as well here on Cardano. So I see you guys are all liking. And you're all saying mug life. So definitely would like to give away this mug here. So the Crypto Rover mug, you're a true family member if you're having this one. You're a true OG if you're having one, because only give away 2 of these. So right now I got 40 of these. So we're definitely going to give away every single stream 1 mug here. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get this mug, of course. Can you check link here? Definitely, I will check link here. Definitely. I mean, the dollar valuation is not very interesting, to be honest, if you look at the chain link here. Of course, still saying around $30.71 here. Doing a very strong job here still, in my opinion. Pretty close from the all-time high here right now. Only $6 off here. So still a dump of approximately 70% here from the top side. Every time to look at BED here, I got 20% gain from yesterday, this morning. I will look at BED here, Raymond, after look into Chainlink, okay? So thank you for letting me know, because I'm also liking a bet, and I will also just check the price chart in a second. But I mean, like I was telling you before, I'm speaking so fast here. That's why I'm making these mistakes here. And I can see already 350 likes here. You guys want me to give away these mugs here. Mug life, don't mug yourself. No, definitely, I will not do that once again here. I mean, I will have to stop mugging myself. But I mean, looking at Chainlink here, Chainlink compared to US dollar, not very interesting what we are seeing here. You can see right now maybe finding support at this level, so that's pretty good already. So I'm very curious what we are heading towards for Chainlink here. But you do want to look at the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin valuation and the Chainlink compared to Ethereum valuation if you want to spot any kinds of moves for Chainlink anytime soon here. But I mean, if you look to the US dollar valuation with the spiral channel, you can see that we re-entered the channel and right now find some resistance at the top side once again here. So that's pretty unfortunate that we are seeing that. Let me see. Yeah, and if you look to the Bitcoin valuation for Chainlink compared to Bitcoin, you can see re-entering this once again here. But I mean, we can still create a wick on the lower side, and that is the thing that I would like to see right now. I do want to create this wick on the lower side, because if we're creating this wick on the lower side, I will be flipping very bullish here. How much is the 5K worth right now in the trading challenge? It's right now 8K. So yeah, we are doing a pretty okay job here. But I still think we can increase way more in valuation here. We're just starting off here. Right now, we kickstarted this new period for Bitcoin. So it can definitely be very exciting times here, especially with these gains here. We're going to make very strong gains here. So I will be looking forward to see Bitcoin, of course, going towards the 70K here. That will be definitely levels that we can take profits here and look for a new possibility to open another swing trade here. So yeah, keep an eye out on the channel here, because we're going to make some insane trades once again here with you guys. And already we're making these good profits here, but I mean, very exciting. But I will look at basic attention token in right now. And I will look at the different chart here. I will look at the USD valuation here. Whoa, basic attention token is very interesting what it's right now doing here. It is trying to break through this 0.786 level. And we were already talking about this level before. We were talking about this level here. And we told you guys, okay, the 0.786 here will be a very strong and very major level of resistance. And as you can see right now, we got rejected from this level. So right now we're still trying to fight our way back up here. And it would be very lovely to see if we can still break through this level here and still, yeah, of course, break above this level and then maybe see another more follow-through getting created for a basic attention token to the upside here. And let's see where we are heading towards for Bitcoin and basic attention token in general here. But definitely looking very strong here. And people are saying, are we going to trade today? Already in the trade, but definitely will be looking for another trade here. The basic attention token right now trading above this level still from the previous 4 hourly candle close. That's very important in my opinion. Do want to stay above this level. Even if we're going to close the 4 hourly candle above this level, we can still maybe shift the momentum to the upside. But for now, and still getting rejected by this Fibonacci level on the top side is making me feel pretty bearish in the immediate short term. But yeah, you can see a breakout of this some kind of a symmetrical triangle. Not the most beautiful one, but it's a bullish bias pattern here. We still have this uptrend intact here, so let's see where we are heading towards here. But I mean, I feel definitely very bullish about basic attention token. When is it a good time to add more to your Ethereum position? Sorry, to your Bitcoin position. And I mean, 55.2k can maybe be a possibility to enter more to your position here. But the point is, I will not add more to the position on the trading account. Of course, we can definitely look at the possibility to add more to the trading account here. But if I want to add more, I want to have a more clear entry, to be honest. But I mean, 55.2k will definitely hold up as very strong support. And I think the market sentiment will be some kind of the same like you saw over here. You saw just, of course, a very healthy, but a fast climb to the upside. So just like we saw over here, we're probably going to see the same here. Probably going to see a stealth climb to the upside once again here. So we just started the stealth climb to the upside. So probably going to see, of course, anytime a reversal. And then we're probably going to go even higher. So every dip that we are getting right here, you have to buy here. And in my opinion, 55.2k will definitely be a good area to open a long position here. But but I will not add more to the Bitcoin position with the trading challenge. But you can definitely consider doing so. But for my private account, already in a Bitcoin trade here and looking to add more to my position once going lower here. So maybe this will be the level that I will be anticipating, and I will have to wait for to add more to my position. So getting very exciting, of course. Raymond, thank you for letting me know. I definitely have to do that. I'm here for the mug. So people are here for the mug. So if you want to win a mug here, this is empty. The other one was filled with water here. Just got 40 new mugs here. So if you want to win a mug here, if we're hitting the 500 likes here, I will pick a random winner here from the chat. So if you're new to the stream, make sure to already smash up the like here. Would be very cool if you're doing so, because I would certainly love to give away a mug here. So if you're right now hitting this like button here, we can definitely give away a mug here. So it would be very cool here. So Jar the Bomb is also trying to help you guys out here to have everyone smash up these likes here. What's your prediction for Cardano? I think Cardano can definitely reach $5. I think it's a very conservative prediction, but a realistic one. Let me see. CR, when I gain at night and go to sleep, the morning after, all loss is gone. Every time I sleep, what is the best solution? I mean, I don't exactly know what you mean by your text. Everyone's saying Mag Live, and Mag, not Mac. I'm saying Mag. Am I saying it incorrectly here? But I mean, let's go for the mug here. I think we can definitely smash up these 500 likes here. That's the reason why I do want to test it. I do think you guys can do it here. And I do want to give away this mug to you guys, because I want to give something back to you guys. We just did bad. Yeah, we just recently looked at bad here. And I mean, I can do also. Someone is saying Ethereum prediction here. I think if I will do an Ethereum prediction, I will be doing an Ethereum prediction for the month of July. So that will be my Ethereum prediction for the coming 4 months here. And I think Ethereum can definitely reach levels around, let's say, 6k towards the 7k here in the tops of this cycle, in my opinion. 6 to 7k is definitely already a very, very major increase in valuation. Imagine if you bought some Ethereum around $200 and you're going towards 7k here. Increase of 30,000% here. So I mean, you're having huge opportunities still right now, having a good opportunity here. But I mean, 6k is definitely a target that I will be anticipating Ethereum heading towards. So it will be very amazing. Everyone is saying about the mug. Everyone want to win it. And guys, you're all smashing up these likes. So definitely, I think we can reach it here. We're also we're only 1 hour and 20 minutes live here, and I think reaching the 500 likes is definitely a doable target here. So I do want to give away the mug here. Would be very lovely if we can do so. Mark in the system, yeah, would be very cool here if we can give something back to you guys. And I mean, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, you can still see this wick getting created here. Can you look at Matic? I will definitely look at Matic here, because I do think Matic, of course, a very exciting project here. Like I told you earlier in this stream, looking to buy into Matic, even though it's still very high here. And damn, if I look to this chart, damn, this is looking very strong. Maybe I have to buy right now. Maybe I have to buy live here, because it is giving you a very strong accumulation level here. Once here, retesting this 30 cents here, 29.8 cents here. So yeah, right now Matic Network is giving you a very strong buying opportunity here. So Um, I mean, this is looking very exciting. This is looking very exciting for the medic price action here. So if you aren't exposed yet, do some research. But definitely right now, if you look at the US dollar valuation chart, you're getting a very strong buying opportunity here. This is looking very strong here. I mean, I cannot say anything bearish about this chart. And also, yeah, you're creating some kind of uptrend here. So definitely looking to maybe, if we are reaching this supportive line here, if we're going to break this line, I will be looking to buy over here. So it really depends on how this is looking for the next coming hours. But I mean, it's very likely to find a supportive bounce from here on. Already creating a new all-time high just a couple hours ago. Let's see where it is heading towards. Let's see where it is heading towards. But it's looking very strong here. Yield app hidden gem. Can you take a look? I already told the watchers what I think about yield app. Already told the watchers what I think about yield app. Can you take a look here? And I told you guys already at the start of the video. This is my hidden gem where I'm hugely invested in. Just recently I bought at 70 cents here. Still expensive buy for me. I mean, normally I don't buy into these coins once it's sitting so high in the valuation, but this is a hidden gem where no one is talking about. And man, if you aren't exposed yet, be on the boat. You want to be on this boat here. That is the reason why. That is the reason why. But I mean, yield app is definitely a strong coin that you do want to have in your portfolio here. And I mean, I'm increasing my percentage in my portfolio only more with the yield app because I do want to get more and more exposed to this coin because it's given me also in the bear market that you can just stake Bitcoin. You can get a very good API on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I mean, very good coin here, hidden gem here. You do want to look at it. You do want to do your own research. But in my opinion, still a very relatively cheap buy here because the fundamentals are looking very strong for that coin. And I always look and love to look at the fundamentals here of certain coins. And guys, we're only 1 like away from the 400 likes here. And you know that we are going to do once we're reaching 500 likes here. Once reaching 500 likes, we're going to give away a mug here. So definitely make sure to right now smash up these likes here. Will be, of course, very amazing if you can do so. And people are already saying in the chat here, is it too late to join yield? And no, you're not too late yet here. I mean, if you're now on the boat here, of course, no financial advice. But I think that you're definitely going to thank me here in the coming 2 to 3 weeks here. So, of course, no financial advice here. But, I mean, yield definitely is a very good coin. A coin that you do want to hold in your portfolio here. And, yeah. I mean, I cannot stress enough about it here. Of course, I don't have the chart here on Trading View. That's pretty unfortunate here because I would like to do my analysis on Trading View as well here. But, I mean, it's just a hidden gem here. Do your research, and it probably will get listed on Binance as well here anytime soon because it's just a good project here. And Binance like to have these good projects attached to their, broker exchange. So, of course, I will be looking forward to see where we are heading towards. It's too late to buy Reef. I mean, oh guys, we're getting so close to the 500 likes here. I mean, Reef is of course very exciting what we are seeing with Reef. Reef. Oh, I have to remove this. Reef previously acting resistance line. I mean, we had formed these resistance lines already since the 17th of January. We formed this supportive line that is right now acting as resistance also since the 17th of January. And once we were watching here, we were telling you guys, please be careful because it's very likely to get a rejection. Since then, we got this rejection here, but still getting supported by this gray box here. So looking forward to see where we are heading towards with Refinance. I mean, you do want to do your own research before buying into these coins here. But I mean, maybe forming another resistance line here in the immediate short term. So definitely looking forward to see where this is breaking towards. Because forming a descending triangle right now, to be honest. So you can see a breakout anytime soon for Reef. So if you're accumulating right now, you can definitely make some good gains here. Of course, descending triangles are usually break to the downside here. But since the market sentiment is to the upside here, I do think that we can see this breakout to the upside as well. So, I mean, you're not too late to buy into this coin. Purely looking to the fundamentals. Sorry, to the technicals, I mean. Fundamentals, I don't know. So, people are saying almost 500 likes here. Yeah, it's completely true here. I'm exposed to Youth Finance. You're probably mean... What is the difference between that one and Yield App? Yield App is basically... The app, it's basically an app. I can go to their site here where you can stake, you can get API on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other assets. And they've recently added Bitcoin, and you can get 20% API on Bitcoin. And that's absolutely insane. That's absolutely insane because no other coin is giving you that. And I mean, that's also the thing why it's probably going to be very big here. You can see on USD Tether 10% API here, and if you're holding API as well, you can get a 2 to 10% API boost in YLD. So that's the reason they're giving very good returns here. And the point here is, the more YLD you are holding, the more returns you're getting. Oh wait, where it was? It was over here. Here you can see. The more YLD you are holding in your wallet, the more API you are getting on your investments. So if you're having less than 5,000 YLD, you can see you're getting 2% extra interest on your investment. And if you're holding more than 5,000, but yeah, it's receipted. You can read it yourself, but you can go to the site here. It's a very, very interesting project and majorly undervalued in my opinion. And that's the reason why I'm buying hugely into it. So please, I don't want you guys to miss out of this boat here. I don't want you guys to miss out this boat. And definitely, I'm going to sit on this coin here, going to make some good gains here. And it's a DeFi token here. And DeFi tokens will probably do also very good here in the coming bull run. And I'm going to sit on this for at least 2 to 3 more months here. And definitely maybe also in the bear market, because you can stake Bitcoin, you can stake Ethereum in the bear market. You can also stake USD Tether in the bear market. So, I mean, this coin is giving you huge opportunities here. I mean, this project is huge. This project is huge. But I mean, Refine is definitely looking for a breakout anytime soon here, guys. Push up the like button, boys. Yes, we have to do it. We're only 66 likes away here from the 500 likes here, guys. We're getting very close there, and I'm getting very excited to give something away with you guys as well here. Maybe just going to give away two mugs here because just of the stakes here, and then I'm going to do one later in the stream here. Of course, not both at the same time here, but going to give away more mugs here because I want to make everyone happy here in the chat, of course. And let me know if you're enjoying the stream here, by the way. Let me know if you're enjoying these gains as well here, because yeah, right now having these insane gains being made here in the cryptocurrency space. And of course, we're trying to benefit from it. So, yeah, very exciting times, of course. Okay, please look at Maker. We just looked at Maker. We'll go into it in a second once again, of course. But I mean, yeah, looking at Bitcoin. And Frank Castle, thank you for a super chat here. You're donated here $5, so thank you so much. And you're saying thanks for streaming once again here. Could we see your opinion about Algo and TA, of course? And man, Algo, I love it. And by the way, I also love your support of the nation here. But I love Algo here, and my opinion as well here. I mean, just was talking about sorry, I was just talking about YLD app, and I was talking about API here. And Algorand is also a huge coin with API here. Of course, very good returns that you're getting. And right now, we are looking to maybe take a trade here for the trading challenge as well here. Once seeing a breakout of the top side and then the retest here, of course. So if we're going to see something like this here for the price of Algorand here, I will definitely open a swing trade because I think this coin can definitely increase in valuation very quickly here. And I love Algorand, but right now you can see we are forming this ascending triangle here for Algorand. And Algorand, probably it is going to reverse anytime sooner, just like GRT is right now doing, just like the other altcoins are also doing here. So looking forward where Algorand is heading towards. But I mean, you can see ascending triangle. If it is playing out, if we're breaking out to the top side, of course, ascending triangles usually breaking to the upside here, and especially in bull markets, they are breaking to the upside. But normally in sideways market action, ascending triangles are very bullish bias patterns. But if you're seeing a breakout, we can really push the price here to $1.50, and this can be an increase of approximately 27% here, and that's the reason why we do want to take this trade here on our trading challenge account here. So definitely, if you want to join me with these trades here, you can already sign up an account here in the description. You can go to the Femex referral link in the description. You're also getting up to $680 in bonus. So that will be very amazing if you're doing so. So make sure to use the referral link if you want to day trade as well here. And we will definitely look for the opportunity. And once we're not live here, I will definitely keep you guys up to date. If I'm seeing a very good opportunity here, I will keep you guys up to date on the Discord server. And the unfortunate thing here is I just got a new phone here, and I cannot access my Discord anymore. So I'm trying to fix it right now because I want to give you guys more updates. But today I totally could not go on my Discord, what is very unfortunate because I saw some interesting things there on the market. I was spotting these swings here, I was looking at Bitcoin because I was doing something, but I was not at home here. I was looking at Bitcoin. I was seeing this here, and I want to notify you guys. But I did it on Twitter. So I did it on Twitter because I could access my Twitter, and I told you guys this. Okay, we are right. Look at this opportunity here. Look at this opportunity. Embrace this with both your hands because we're having liftoff. And of course, 55k, 54k. We were sitting here around 54k here. Right now, sitting Bitcoin. Let me see, Bitcoin right now sitting around 57k here. Very exciting, guys. Unfortunately, I would like to share this on the Discord server. Unfortunately, I couldn't, but I will fix it as soon as possible, of course, because I want to give you guys more updates. But yeah, look at this here. It was very exciting. We saw a W reversal here to the upside, and then see the neckline getting retested here and acting as support. So it was looking very strong here. So if you already haven't followed me already on Twitter here, you can also do so right now at Rover Crypto on Twitter. Would be very amazing if you're doing so, because sometimes you can see, sometimes I have these issues, and I will keep you guys up to date here on Twitter instead of Discord. So usually I do it on Discord here, so that's also the reason why you can join the Discord server right now here in the live chat. Would be very amazing if you're doing so, because then we can of course help each other out here in the Discord server, because we are building this strong community and everyone is helping out each other in the Discord server. There are some very good moderators there, so definitely a server that you do want to join. Definitely a server that you do want to join. If you haven't joined it already, you can do so right now. It's completely free here. And why not? Why not? But yeah, if you were once again look at the scenario here, you can see a W playing out here, W playing out to the upside, retest, and now lift off. So this was also a very strong opportunity to enter a position here. Of course, only could have shared it on Twitter. Was pretty unfortunate. But it's very unfortunate that I cannot log into my account anymore. I completely got blocked. I can still access it on my computer, but not on my phone here, and also not on new devices. So it's pretty unfortunate. But I'm still working on it. And guys, by the way, I see only 42 likes away. Two are going to give away this amazing mug here. So make sure, if you want to be a part of it, to stay in the stream here, because we will be picking a winner here live in the chat. And generally, Ganfu donated €2. Sorry that I pronounced your no incorrectly, but you are saying, can you please check Sol? And yes, I will check Sol for you. And what we are seeing with Sol here, you can see once again uptrend getting created here. And you can draw this uptrend at multiple ways here. You can see in the immediate short term creating a stealth uptrend here. You can see in a little bit of a bigger picture, you can see also an uptrend getting created from here to here. So there are multiple uptrends right now getting formed here. And let's see which uptrend is going to hold here. But a lot of supportive lines that right now getting formed here. So it's very exciting what we are right now seeing here. And I feel also very excited if I look to the chart here in general. Also, if I just quickly remove these lines here, because it's looking pretty messy here, you can see topside acting as resistance here multiple times already. So this is the level that you do want to break here before flipping bullish here. So let's see, once we are breaking this, I do want to see a retest of this previous resistance line flipping into support. That will be definitely, or accumulation zone, or long position. You can definitely open positions there once you're breaking this level. So for now, you should wait here, in my opinion, because it's not showing a clear breakthrough, because you can still get a rejection from this level and push a little bit lower here and maybe form an ascending triangle here or so, because this is also looking like a structure that you can form an ascending triangle here. So I should not rush in anything here, but if breaking the top side here, of course, no financial advice here, you can really enter a position once hitting this $15 and 25 cents here. 33 more likes, guys. Then we're going to give away the mug here. So very exciting. And please ask your questions in English. I cannot reach every. I cannot read every single language here. So please make sure to ask it in English here. What do you think what Litecoin would do? And Litecoin, of course, people are getting very exciting once they're looking to a Litecoin here. And once you guys are getting excited, of course, I feel excited as well here because once you guys are getting excited, it's making me feel exciting once again. But you can see, like, I'm still forming this symmetrical triangle, still anticipating a breakout to the upside. Of course, we already are seeing a breakout to the upside here. But you can see price target will be sitting around the 233 US dollars here. So once reaching this price target, this will be definitely our area that we have to take maybe some profits here. But I think Lycan can definitely show more follow through here. 70k in a few days realistic. I think like the title is right now saying 70k in 2 weeks here. I think within, so I'm saying within 2 weeks we're going to see 70k here. Definitely reachable, definitely very likely to see here, and I wouldn't be surprised if we're even going to surpass it. But I mean, definitely a level that we can easily reach here. One Dutch live stream, I probably will not do it here, but maybe for fun purposes sometime here. But I mean, my life is right now pretty busy here, working on all kinds of stuffs here, also looking to move out, etc. But I mean, it's very hard to do right now in the coronavirus situation what we are right now in. But I mean, also I would like to do more streams there and also longer streams. But the problem is here that I'm quite short on time. But from off next week, I will have more and more time here. So definitely you can count on more streams here the coming weeks here. So yeah, definitely also a reason why you do want to be subscribed, and also a reason why you do want to like the video here, because we're going to give away a mug here in 12 likes here. So 12 more likes, and then we're going to give away a mug here, and then you just have to say something in the chat, and then we're just going to pick a winner here. And I mean, I would like to give it to everyone here, of course. But I mean, I cannot give it to everyone because that is not how it works here, because otherwise, yeah, that should not work. So let me see. Can you give your expectation for BNB, this Bitcoin rally? I mean, BNB, I will quickly look at BNB here because, of course, I want to give my BNB thoughts as well. I mean, BNB, of course, breaking very critical resistance levels here. Huge green candle to the upside here since touching this right box here. So, I mean, what are my BNB expectations here? It really depends. Bitcoin first needs to cool off here. Hopefully, Bitcoin is going to, for the next 4 hours or next 8 hours, at least, or next 2 days here will be even better the next weekend. Bitcoin is cooling off here. Then we can see these altcoins pretty blessed off here. But it will take some time here. And probably tomorrow, the first altcoins will really take off here. So definitely keep an eye out here. And guys, I can see that we are only 1 like away here. So I will give away the mark right now because I see that we just surpassed the 500 likes here. Thank you so much for liking the video here, guys. Thank you so much for liking the video. So it's very exciting what we are right now having here. And I see, there went 2 likes away. So still have to wait a little bit longer here, guys. Only 2 likes away here from the 500 likes. But then we're just going to pick a random winner here in the chat. You have to say mark in the chat here because I see we just smashed the 500 likes here once again. So thank you so much for liking the video, guys, here. And I want to give something back to you guys because you are supporting me. I will support you guys as well. I mean, not support. I want to give something back to you guys as well. So say right now, mark in the chat. Just mark, and I will just pick a random winner here. So yeah, definitely make sure to say mark in the chat here. Everyone's saying 500. Let's go. Everyone is excited for the mark here, and it completely doesn't matter where you're from here. Just say mark in the chat here, and you will be edgeable. I mean, you will be winning it. So if you want to win this amazing mug here, after the stream, by the way, I will send a message on Discord to you to get your address. And please don't be fooled here. Oh, damn, there are so many people that want to win the mug here. Let me see who's going to get it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to blindly pick someone. Okay, this is very hard to say right now. Oh, it's Russ Farmer. Russ Farmer, let me know. Oh, okay, Russ Farmer. I'm sorry, I completely did it blindfolded. Russ Farmer, congratulations, you won the mug here. I will quickly make a screenshot of you. Russ Marker, okay, please say your Discord tag in the chat here because then I will add you on Discord, and it will be, of course, very amazing. I just also made a screenshot here. So, let me see. Russ Farmer, very congratulations. I see everyone's still saying mug in the chat. Damn, I have to give more mugs away to you guys, man. You guys are loving these mugs. Oh, damn. I want to give more mugs away here. Definitely going to give more. Maybe we're going to do a big giveaway anytime soon here. But I mean, I will at least want to do every single live stream. I want to give away 1 mug here. And let me know. if you're here in the chat, if you're still here in the chat, Rust Farmer, because do want to give it to you guys. And you guys, you can right now stop saying Mark in the chat here because he already won here. Rust Farmer, Div Rider. Okay. I will add you at Discord because then we can stay in contact. Let me see. I added you as friends, so you have to accept me real quickly here. But please stop saying Mag in the chat because we already have this have the winner. So I sent you a friend request real quickly here. Hi. So I sent you a friend request, so make sure to accept it because yeah, I will send you the mug here. So yeah, I mean, congratulations to you. And the next time, of course, I want everyone to win here, of course. But the next time there will be a new winner here. So of course, very exciting, very exciting. You can just sell them. No, we will not sell the mugs here because then it will be not cool here because I'm not here to trying to make money here. I'm just lovely to give something away to you guys. And I mean, do want to these things are very easy to make and very simple, but I mean it's just a funny thing to give something back to you guys as well. So I mean, I'm loving them, and I'm right now having 40 just 40 more mugs arrived here. So of course there were plenty of mugs to give away here, so yeah, I mean, very exciting. No problem, I will contact you after the stream. I will contact you after the stream, by the way. So right now I will not react to your Discord message, but I will do it after the stream, my friend. So thank you so much for liking all the video, because we just also smashed through the 542 likes. So also Rescal donated €5, so €5. So thank you so much here. You're saying, buddy, you are doing this wrong. What you should do is create a mock NFT for the giveaway. You can give me the first one for the idea. Yeah, I mean that's pretty funny though. That's pretty funny. Yeah, maybe we can do so, but I mean I don't know. I don't know it yet, but. Maybe we can make an NFT here, guys. That would be, of course, very cool if we can do so. So we will go back into the charts right now because we talked enough about these mugs here. Because I mean, I sure love to give something to you guys. Mugging the hell! Everyone is saying mug in the chat. Everyone's loving these mugs here. So yeah, people are saying 40 mugs. Yes, I got 40 of these. Oh, damn, this is the water filled with water one. So I spilled it once again over myself. So I'm absolutely crushing myself right now. I'm not doing a very good job. So let me see what we have for you guys. Let me know what you want me to look at right now. So NFTs are, of course, very funny. NFT, and a very good idea. Thank you for tipping me, of course. Thank you for also supporting the channel, of course. But I mean, I definitely can maybe look into it. I spent 5K on NFTs. I mean, NFTs are right now pretty big here. And did you also know that there was a tweet? Someone saw the tweet as an NFT here, so that was also pretty interesting that we were seeing that. A tweet was getting sold as NFT. And Russ Farmer, you donated here. Thanks, Rover. Is it ok to donate after the winning? Yes, that's okay. But to Russ Farmer, thank you so much for supporting the channel here. And I'm very glad that you won the mug here. So we'll definitely send it to you guys. You're the third mug winner here. So of course there will be more mug winners here along the days here. I will, from now on, we'll try and do a live giveaway every single day here. So make sure to just tune into these streams here, because then you can be eligible to win these mugs here. Very exciting days, of course. Very, very funny to see you guys are loving these mugs. So let me see. Sold his first tweet. Yeah, I know. Yeah, founder of Twitter sold his first tweet. It was very interesting. These NFTs are becoming such a big thing here. So I will look at some more things here in the market. So let's see what we are right now having here, because of course it's getting very exciting. Also, what we are seeing with all these altcoins here right now, you're having major opportunities here, guys. You have to know major opportunities. Let me see. How is GRT looking here in the immediate short term? So I will look at GRT for you. And GRT and the 4 hourly looking very strong here. We also discussed GRT earlier today, but do want to go into GRT right now. And I mean, 4 hourly GRT is looking very strong, very, very strong. Looking to have blast off anytime soon here. Looking like it's having blast off anytime soon here. So GRT finally breaking this lower side of resistance. Downward sloping resistance line, finally breaking it and reverse to the upside. So looking to see where GRT is heading towards. But I think we can definitely increase the valuation very quickly here. Yeah, NFTs are pretty overvalued. Yeah, I mean, right now they are pretty overvalued in my opinion. That's the reason why I'm not really buying into NFTs right now. So, I mean, GRT finally breaking this resistance line here. Very crucial, because you can see previously it was acting as very strong resistance. And yeah, right now it's just acting as support, so that's very nice to see here. So it was giving you a major opportunity to open a position here. I'm already hugely exposed to GRT, and that's the reason why I'm not buying more of it right now. And I don't want to overvalue my GRT portfolio. But I mean, yeah, here you had a very strong opportunity to buy more GRT. That's a good point. Thank you, CR. No problem. I'm trying to do this for you guys, of course. GRT to get me a car, bought at $1.50 here. You probably will do pretty good here. Already up pretty significantly, so you're doing an already good job here. People still saying market it, chat. That's insane. Marlin is giving you a very strong opportunity to buy right now. I have to agree with you. Marlin is looking very strong here right now. Maybe trying. Also trading on this Fibonacci level here. But also what you're seeing with Marlin right now is that you are getting supported by this supportive line here. So I do want to see this 4 hourly close above this line, of course. But I mean, Marlin is giving you a very good opportunity to buy right now. Also listed on Binance, so you can buy this coin also on Binance right now. It's just as a big of a gem as ULab. I think ULab is even a bigger gem, of course. But I mean, Marlin will also perform very strong here. Should I buy or sell? Oh man, don't spam. The point here is please don't spam in the chat, because I'm always reading these messages and then people are spamming and then I'm just going to ignore them. So please don't spam in the chat. What about Stellar Loomis? So I will look at Stellar Loomis for you, of course. I mean, you can see Stellar Loomis. The point here is I like Stellar Loomis here. It was finally breaking out of a symmetrical triangle here, but it's still not doing anything. It's still not doing anything. So I will extend this supportive line here. But you can see, yeah, we finally broke out of this resistance line here to the downside. So since breaking so, we haven't done anything special. So the point here is that we still have to wait a little bit longer till we're going to see more volatility we're going to create for Stellar Loomis here. So everyone's still saying Stellar Loomis in chat, but I mean, already looking at Stellar Loomis. But I mean, Stellar Loomis, you can see here, yeah, let's see where it is heading towards. But I mean, very exciting what we are right now seeing here, because we're finally breaking through this resistance line here. So maybe we can finally create some more momentum shift to the upside here. So I would definitely. Oh, sorry, that is the background music gone. Give me a second. Give me a second. It's back again. But I mean, it's very exciting what we are right now having with Stellar Loomis here. But I mean, right now, still trading on this supportive line here, but don't really show a lot of volatility since breaking this symmetrical triangle here. So for now on, we have to wait on the sidelines here. We have to wait and see what it will do here. But in my opinion, yes, we can definitely see another move to the upside getting created anytime soon here. We can see another move to the upside getting created anytime soon here. Thanks, Rover. No problem. Guys, I love you guys, man. You have to know it. I love you guys every single moment of the day here. You are also always so supportive here. And by the way, if you haven't already joined the Discord server, you can right now join it here. And also quickly shout out to every single moderator, and of course every single member as well here. But a big shout out to these moderators. They're building this this Discord server so strongly here. They're keeping everything clean here, trying to keep everything clean here, because there are also a lot of scammers here in Discord, so you have to be careful with that. But I mean, big shout out to these Discord moderators here. Big shout out to them. But guys, I'm getting my throat is getting hurt a little bit here. I'm also getting a little bit tired here because already a long day before this. The point here is I will wrap up the stream right now here, but tomorrow we will be live earlier. We will be trying to live stream even longer as well here. So I want to thank you guys once again here, and tomorrow I will be giving another mug away here. And let me see, Rust Farmer, I will contact you after the stream and ask you your address, of course, to send it to you. So probably we'll send your mug in, let's say, 2 to 3 working days here. It will always will take some time here, but I will try and send it as soon as possible to you. But thank you guys so much for watching here. But Hendrik just donated €2, so quickly going to go into your super chat because otherwise it's so unfortunate for you. So you're saying, this is a good time to buy Bitcoin right now. Got 40K short term. I mean, yeah, if you're willing to buy Bitcoin, don't wait for the market. Buy right now, in my opinion. Of course, we can still reverse a little bit to the downside here. But in general, if you're buying right now, you're having a good position here because we're going towards the 100K here. And we're going to reach 100K. It's just a matter of time here. But guys, thank you so much for tuning into the stream here. It was an amazing day, an amazing evening once again spent with you guys. You know what to do. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, you can do it right now. Would be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. So, guys, I will check you guys in the next stream here tomorrow once again on the channel. And peace out, guys.